Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a treat, a beautiful 1970 Ford Bronco 5.0, absolutely beautiful, all done up properly. A little much to kind of ramble off right now, so please check the descriptions for all the details. But what a beautiful, beautiful ride. I mean, just taking this over to the gas station on the corner, so many thumbs up, so many waves. I mean, everybody's looking at this. And it is just as beautiful on the inside. We've got some black cloth seats here in the front. Dash area is gorgeous as well. Flip the seat up. Got the back bench seat. But just a super, super nice ride. Open up the back hatch here. And open up this side right here. A little bit of trunk space right there. Definitely fit a set of golf clubs or maybe some boots or something if you're going hiking. Or some beach chairs, head on to the beach. But let's go ahead and jump up here into the front seat and we'll check out the cluster and everything. Very simple face here. Got some digitals at the bottom. But just a beauty. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start her up, check her under the hood, take it for a spin, put her on the hoist. All right, got the Bronco here. Let's take it for a spin down the street. Got a couple cars here that are gonna pass first. But let's show this electric dash right there. Fuel, I gotta get it over to the fuel. Just got her off the trailer. Want her to do some quick videos. But just a beast of a ride. Go ahead, slow her down, check out the brakes. Working real well. But I want to kind of take off with this because it's got great power to it, got great sound, and handles really well. You know, you kind of look at it and you're like, oh man, it's small wheelbase and everything like that. How's it handle? Handles very, very well. All right, let's go ahead and slow her down. Go ahead and get her on the hoist.